Do you want to know how to create wonderful AI art? The Dall-E 2 image generator is a powerful tool for creating unique and creative images. And this tutorial on how to create powerful images using Dall-E might just be perfect for you. Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Dall-E 2 image generator. First things first, open up your browser of choice. And then, once it's open, what you are going to do is head on to the search bar and search for Dall-E 2. Head to their website and you will be greeted by their main page. So once you're in their main page, you will be greeted by their main menu and tools. When you scroll down, it will even showcase some of the AI's capabilities. For example, here you can see that the website inputted an astronaut riding a horse in photorealistic style. And what's below is the results of the search prompt. There is even a slider to view all of the results that the AI generated. Okay, to proceed, what we are going to do is to press sign up right here. Once you have finished logging in, you will now be in the page where you can type in your prompt and the AI will generate it for you. In here, you can also see the history and collections. When you press history, here, you will be able to see all of the prompts that you have searched up ever since you have started Dall-E. And when you go back to check collections, what you can do here is create a folder. In this folder, you can save your creations or other users' AI creations that are posted online. So, to start generating images, you will need credits. Since we do not have any credits yet, what we can do is buy credits. As you can see here, it says that you can buy 115 credits for $15. But you're worried that you can't pay for it at the moment? Do not worry, because you can get credits for free. So, what you want to do is press learn more about credits. And doing this will bring you to a page where you can learn how the credit system for Dall-E works. As you can see here, it says that you can have free credits for every month. Free credits replenish monthly. For example, if you received credits on August 3rd, your free credits will refill on September 3rd. If you join on the 29th, 30th, or 31st of any month, your free credits will refill on the 28th of every month. Okay, so that information is for people who do not have credits yet. However, if you already have credits or you already bought credits, we can now proceed to the part where we generate our own images. So, as you can see here, we will have to generate a prompt with a detailed description to maximize the AI's capabilities. So as for me, what I will be searching up is, I will type in a monster hiding below a bed on midnight. Once it's done generating, you can see here that the AI was able to generate 4 results for what we look up for. So what you want to do now is select your generated image that you really like the most. When clicked, you can see several options right here. You can edit the image to your preference. Look for other variations of the image, meaning the AI will then generate similar results of the one you search up for, but it will vary how it looks a little bit so you can have a wider table of selections. Hence the name, variations. Next is you can share this image to other social media sites or application. And most importantly, you can finally save your generated image and use it wherever you want. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now use Dall-E 2 image generator. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.